strawberry. Hi, I'm apple. Hi, I'm orange. And we are the fruit tree. Nah. Okay. Oh my God. Let's go to the secret hiding spot ako eh. Yeah. Guys, I got sheriff. Sheriff! Oh, yeah. Oh my God. Innocent. Wait. Don't make me come with me. Wait. Go to the there. Let's go. Near the truck. Here. Follow me. I see you, strawberry. Follow me. Apple. Oh my God. No one can find us. Wait. Ay! Guys. Come on here. Nandito. Oh. Na may nag-join sa akin. Hello. Hey guys. Come up there. Nag-join eh. Come up. Uy! Bye-bye, Apple. I will kill you. Wait. I will kill you in the direction. Okay. If I murder. Mag-spectate tayo guys. Where's no one here? Nasa outside. Ay, wag ka na tumaas. Baka naman. Spam jumper sila eh. Kaya, iyaw na mo muna yung... Ay. You're going to the gun. No. Uy, wag ka mag-stop. Dan, piyot ko yung isa. Papunta ata sa gun yung isa. Come on. I'm gonna see you. Okay, come on. Yes. Oh, yeah.
Ginagawa niya ang pagkano.
Hindi nagsusuplak yan. Okay, Chip. Okay, dito. Dan. Ay, bakit tumaas ako? Guys, let's go to the... It's sweet. Parang ako eh. Bakit kasi Lia? Strawberry. Bakit? English, please! Okay. I will say English. Sorry. I forgot. I don't know Spanish. I forgot. Uy, innocent. Someone's following me. Catch the green murder. In this gadget, yung sarili kong gadget. I'm so ready. I'm angry. Where are you? You're angry. I'll go in the elevator first. Don't need to orange is with me. Hi, Apple. Where are you? We're in the second floor. Second floor. No, I just go to the third floor. Jump! Wait, strawberry! Third floor, I mean third floor. No, stop, wait, I saw you fall over the elevator. Wait, stop there. Apple, come back. Wait, stay there. And then, look, what will I... This is what happened to you a while ago. Like, this is what happened to you a while ago. This is what happened to you a while ago.
No.
This is what happened to you a while ago.
Okay.
You come on. Go to the third floor. Don't murder. Wait, I think my friend. It's not murder.
Where's your friend?
It's the bear one. Yeah. Oh my God, that's cute. That's so cute. The Ezra is like following me. Is he following me? Oh my God. You're the one who scared her. Bro. He killed me. You didn't even tell me. You should save your murderer, bro. Me looking everywhere. Oh, wait a second. Why? Wait, don't kill me. Don't go down. Don't kill me, please.
You said the bear one. I thought that's the green one.
Spectate me, bro.
I'm spectating.
Spectate me.
Oh my God!
You cannot ever see me. Oh, jealousy! Oh my God! Why did you kill me? I will give my next chance, bro. How did you even see me? I was in the third floor hiding by the... Wait, mag-respawn mo na ako. I mean, joke.
Oh my God! You're using chip.
Mag-check mo na ako sa'yo.
This taking so long. Finally. Apple, you're like so red. Oh my God.
I-half volume niya. I-half volume niya. Half the volume.
I'm recording.
Half the volume, bro.
Okay.
Yes!
No.
No. I hate that's real. I'm getting one.
Oh my God. Let's pause. I don't want to wait. I got innocent.
I think there's...
Where's Apple? I think.
Strawberry, bro. I see Apple. It's in the first floor.
Hi. Oh my God.
Wait, I think it's somewhere. Ano yun? Sa akin eh.
Oh my God. What is happening?
You died?
Yeah, you died.
Someone is making music. Ow! Okay, let's spectate.
I
Yung nag-double jump ako. Oh, okay. Where are you, strawberry? Oh, wait. Wait again. Uy, murder! Pero hindi ko kayo kill. And I promise, murder ako. Innocent.
Oh, you're gonna kill me.
Hindi na.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I'm gonna kill my friend, bro.
Editor, put that video into
The sheriff!
Yo! Editor, put.
I will kill you. Wait, I will kill you in the next round.
Okay.
Don't kill me. Oh, the sheriff is
Oh my god, hello.
Guys, can you help me? Can you help me out? Yes! In the back.
I'm locked up. Ay, ito na may Bluetooth.
They're all in the back.
It's your apple. Oh my god.
They're all in the back. Back here.
Now, where are you?
Yeah.
Where? Oh my god, you're in the kitchen!
Sorry, I killed you. Guys, can you help me? Can you spectate everyone? Yay. We killed one.
And with the...
I need to kill Ori. There's green one is in the stairs. Oh no! She got it! My friend got it, bro. Oh, he almost got it. Come here.
Sorry, the smartest and loudest.
You need to get killed, I promise, bro.
Okay, anyway, I think...
Just get killed, bro, please, so I can win.
No,
Who's the last?
oh my god. I gotta talk to someone.
Where? Hey. Guys, I win. I win. This is my first time at winning in MM2, bro.
I hate Gemini.
Stop going to my top, bro. Let's do it. Wait, I will check
I'm like lagging a little bit.
Okay, let's go to the red.
Yo! Everyone will hate you. No, he's talking to you, Strawberry.
Yeah. Guys, let's go and take a bath. Alright. It's daytime. Oh, the sheriff.
I got like innocent.
Who cares? This is a huge map. Wait, I will report everyone. Not you, bro. Only the one who hates me.
Oh my god! He's a report.
Next report. I will report the other one.
Wait. I think like the owner. This game
Wait, I will go back to my favorite. Oh, remember the hiding spot? Please.
Oh my god.
Come to my hiding spot, bro.
It's like...
Come to my hiding spot.
Oh, okay.
I have the mirror.
Bye! Yo, I passed the bear. Yo.
Oh, that's my friend, the bear. Who cares? That's part of the bear. He's chasing me.
I'm going.
He's going for you.
Orange here.
Yo, close! I didn't close it. Yeah.
Okay.
I see you. Let me knock the bear here.
Okay, I'm gonna do my own.
Everyone stop commenting. Yes! Everyone stop commenting when I said that. When I said, who cares, that's part of the game. So who cares? Of course, I did you. Yeah, they stopped commenting here. They got roasted.
GG's good game.
Let's go to police station because I never saw the police station out there. Oh, this is a diva girl, bro, but I hate her legs.
Hi, Apple. Ignore Apple's name. We can't
Wait, can I try your keeper? I think I know how to do this now. Get out! Get this first.
Okay.
Wait, how to move, like, yeah.
The W is forward. Right is...
How high?
Left. Wait, right side.
This is like a maze!
I'm using Strawberry's iPad. Strawberry.
Wait, I don't think anymore.
Okay, fine. Give me my iPad.
I'm back in my iPad, guys. Wow, I'm in the box! Hi! Wait, guys, I will do my chocolate milk. I'm equipping my chocolate milk. Okay, someone is distracting again.
What is that noise? Oh my god. Wait, you're the sheriff?
No, I'm not. But it's that girl is the sheriff, the one that said kill me. Maybe because